Alright, so again, it's 11:53, 31 March 2022. Okay, I'm going to unbox. Let's see here. So now let's put this somewhere where we don't lose it. Okay, so here are these two. Right. Here are my scissors. The other day I repaired one of these things here. I could not get the cassette deck to play. Alright, so it works. Let's see here. How's it? So, radio works, line-in works, and that's about all we're going to do here. How do you turn this thing off? Turn it off. Okay. Anyway, there's that. And then I couldn't remember where my cassette was, and so here it is in this, what is this? A Sanyo MR-V8 Mark II. And this one here plays. So it's that right there. Okay, so there's my tape. Get the tape out. Okay. So there's that. That works like that. So then I need, let's see here. I need to unplug this. Right? Okay. So there's that. There's that. So now let's just get to it. There's cassette. There's that. Get a stool. Okay. So in this box here should be one of these. All right. Can you see that there? Yeah. Okay. So in this box here should be this one, right? But a different color and all that. Alright, so I'm trying to do this quickly because I got another radio arriving tonight, which is well, I can't say. Can't remember. I think it's a national, but that's all I can remember. Okay, so here we are. We got more bubble wrap. Okay, so yeah, they very nicely way overpacked this thing. There it is, just a rectangular little thing, and a whole lot of packing material. Okay. There it is, all nice and like that. Okay. And then, once again, we have to, okay, I used a lot of tape on this. Okay, dive into this one here quickly. There we go. And then just, oh hey, alright, great, we can just pull this out of here maybe. There we go. Voila. So put that in there. And then, there we go. Once more. Trying to reuse this stuff. So I don't have to. Alright, so. And here it is. It's one of these, right? So, like I said, looks just like that one, but it's, you see it there? It's the same thing, okay? I got this is a black one, this is a sand colored one, alright? And that's all I know. It's got battery compartment, which is rusted, crusted, but I can repair that. That's easy. Now just playing this on the cord, so let's plug it into the cord. Alright, this is a 100-volt model. Alright, so there we go. Turn it on, full blast. Let's see here. Put it on a radio. There's a radio. Okay, the volume needs to be played with. So we got tuning. No stereo, but let's see here. Where's the stereo button on here? Okay. So here's FM. Well, controls needs to be cleaned. Alright, so much for that. Let's see, eject, great. Does it play? Okay, the cap stands turning. The take-up reel is not turning. Alright, well, wait, the pause was on, excuse me. Hit eject, hit play. Okay, I'm sorry, that's not play, that was rewind. Wait, hit play. Ah, good. The capstan is turning. Alright, where's my tape? Did I just put it over here? Good. Yeah, I know, I heard you. Okay, so turn this off, hit stop, hit eject, my tape in, flip it over to tape, hit play. Oh, we got tunes. So we need to fix the volume. But it does play. Okay. Sorry I didn't bring my remote control for the camera there to do all that with. But so it needs to be cleaned up inside. Alright, and we got... Alright, well, too much fun. Alright, so that's good. So hit stop. Where's stop? Stop is hit eject. Great. Didn't eat the tape. Yay, that's a good sign. Alright, very good. So now I want to go to, so I put this up over here. Alright, let me put this here, that there, okay. This out of the way. Let me put this back over here. And then over here is a, oh no. Over here is a JVC two-piece, I can't remember, RC-S55 I think it is, or something like that. Okay, so where's its, you know, anyway. Okay, so this one's way overpacked, I'm pretty sure, because it's again a small model, but even I think smaller than. So there we got this, right? Okay. So we got this, that. I'll eat. A lot of stuff. There's. Okay, so got the scissors. Here, not there, so, wow, and hey, we got, uh-oh, okay, so here's the power cord. It does take a power cord. I've got a, well, anyway, we'll worry about that later. It's okay, so there's that, right? And then we've got more rubber wrap and tape. Okay, so let's see if we can. So, yeah. And there's nothing else in there. Okay. And so here it is. It's a, I don't know, doubles. See, the release button is here. Right? Wait. There's something falling around on the inside. There's set deck door. Okay, that pops up. That releases out. This is complete. Just needs the door put back on it. All right. Okay, so that goes on there. Okay. Got a battery compartment, which is okay, not bad, but it probably won't work on batteries right away. I just need to clean it up. So let's get my power cord and see what we got here. So, here we go. What does it do? If we put it on, so So we put it on what? Stereo, FM, music can on or off, power on. We got power, yay. How do you tune this? Tuning knob. Okay, so. Uh-oh, the tuning knob doesn't turn anything. Uh-oh. Okay, so. Well, that needs to be fixed. Okay. And we've got, what? Radio. Oh. Okay, so that doesn't work. Let's see, what about this? I don't hear anything. Okay, so. There's another one to be fixed. Okay, well. So the radio works, tape player doesn't work, but anyway, so there it is. It looks like this. It's got both antennas. Both antennas got the tips. Okay. Here's got both antenna tips. This is a JBC RC-S55. 9 volts. Okay, so it looks like that. And okay, so, and needs the deck lid glued back onto the inside. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Just a little bit of super glue, and but it's another one to take apart. So this has just got mixing mic, tone, volume, power, band, radio. Okay, so probably need a tuning string or something to find out what the disconnect is on there. And the function switch, I probably can work that, but that's there. But this is snapped off, but it's still there. I can probably, operate it by putting something in there. Okay, well, I've had too much fun here, so another small one. Right, it's which is smaller. It's actually just a little bit longer than the Sanyo because of the like that. Okay, good. So let me just say goodbye. Have a good day. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go back to work because the alarm's going to go off here in a minute or two. Okay, so there it is. So I got a bunch more Sanyos here. Those there. These here. Stuff to do. Okay. There's that Sanyo. Works. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It's been 12 minutes.